What's up guys, it's Scott with GSI. We're down here doing a little shop highlight, showing you guys around a little bit of what we do down here in Arizona as far as making these chassis for the C10s. This is our fab shop, so we make everything at our shop around the corner as far as the laser and the press brake and all that kind of stuff. Everything comes over here, gets jigged up, fixtured up, and these are all the welders that really put it down. These are the guys that make it happen. So we come down the line, everyone's got their little task, what they're supposed to be doing, what part of the build they're in charge of, from the TIG welding station, from a lot of the small tubing stuff, frame rails, chassis assembly. We build all of our own fuel cells in-house. These ones are all getting staged and prepped, ready to get out of here. Raw steel, all the way to powder coated rollers. We can do everything and get you set up however you want. So if you're building a C10, a Ford, we got chassis for all kinds of stuff, basically from 1947 up to 1998. And if you're starting with a ground up chassis off build, this is really where you start with a proper foundation. We got you covered for everything you need there. And we'll take it all the way. We can do full rolling packages. We'll get you a solid foundation to get your truck to the next level. Get something real nice. All right, so this is Scott, and I want to say thank you for stopping by and checking out GSI. You can see more at gsimfab.com. We're down here in Chandler, Arizona all day. Stop by, say what's up.